In this video, I'll show you how to use Yoast SEO in WordPress to improve your site's search engine visibility and attract the right audience organically. First, install and activate the Yoast SEO plugin. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, click Add New and type in Yoast SEO in the search bar. When it appears, click Install Now, then Activate. Once activated, a new SEO menu will appear in your dashboard. Next, run the configuration wizard. Go to SEO, click General and select the configuration wizard. This setup will guide you step by step to tailor Yoast for your site. You'll choose your site type, indicate whether it represents an individual or a company, and add social media profiles. Pay close attention to search engine visibility settings to ensure your pages are indexed correctly. When optimizing content, edit a post or page and scroll to the Yoast SEO meta box below the main content area. Use the Google preview to see how your page will appear in search results. Enter your focus key phrase, then follow the SEO analysis suggestions to optimize keyword placement. The readability analysis will guide you in creating content that is easy to read and engaging. And that's it. With these steps, you're ready to use Yoast SEO to improve your WordPress site's search engine ranking and attract more organic traffic. Keep optimizing each post for the best results.